These are the elevators here at Truist Place in downtown Fort Lauderdale, and we got Touch Sensitive Series 3.
Actually, never thought I'd ever see one of these in my life. It was okay to like push back going down to the ground.
Yeah, well, let's go to 2 because I kind of want to avoid the lobby.
That's fine. I'll push 2 then. Sound good?
I want to try to get more than one ride on these if I can.
That's fine, yeah. You definitely can.
I'm probably going to edit my video these tonight for 4/11 day. Around 16.
That's so cool. Look at that. So gently touching. Lights up. Sadly, I feel like these are probably not going to be around for a lot longer either.
Yeah. Good to be the cab. These were installed, I think, in 1993, I believe. Very nice cabs.
Very cool. I like the touch sensitive buttons too. You could kind of consider these the successor to the Otis touch buttons.
I'll accept these are digital touch buttons. These aren't heat sensitive.
Right.
We'll do one more ride. Watch this.
Very cool.
Look at that. Absolutely beautiful.
You know what year these are from?
93, I think.
That looks about right, actually.
Either 92 or 93. These are Elevonic 411. These are very nice.
It sucks that the Norfolk Waterfront wanted their Series 3s.
Yeah.
I'll ask you about that off camera.
All right, let's go down to 2.
Wow. Literally just like the touch buttons, except they're not heat sensitive. They're digital sensitive, right?
Yeah, they're like smartphones almost.
Still kind of neat though, honestly. Regardless.
Just look at your buttons. All right, I'm gonna do one more ride on these, but when we go back up, let's be quiet.
Okay.
I kind of want to, if there's nobody here, I kind of want to transfer to a different car.
Sounds good, my friend. Sorry, I'm using my ultra wide camera so much.
We're good.
That's okay.
It's fine. I mean, they're all going to be the same. Just do the other panel there.
Gonna get my cab view now. These are really beautiful. I like the kind of like low lighting.
Mm-hmm.
I actually remember way back in the day when we used to use T1. I remember all these low light elevators you couldn't see, and now we have these smartphones that you can see like you can see what you call it.
All right, let me see. Is there anybody out here? Okay, let's send this one down. All right, be quiet. I wanted to get that. And we're gonna get off on G.
I saw some
Shh. Listen. And here we are.